Hey, Book Besties, this is Nicole from Books and Busies. So I'm reading Son of a Crime God, Daughter of a Hoover by author LaToya Nicole. LaToya. Why won't you let Spark be great? Why Blaze gotta come and burn up everybody? Girl, what in the hell? Now, she got the big and he got a big. What the entire hell? These kids is on my listen. These kids done worried me to shit. I'm with Z baby. I'm with her. She bad as fish grease. Then you got Daryl acting like his daddy, like Phantom. Why he over here is all in white? What the hell, girl? These people is bad shit crazy. I'm talking about these people like they for real, real. They not real for real. But when I tell you, these people is bad shit. And the way I've been in here cackling, I know my kid is downstairs going, why is she laughing so loud? Because I'm laughing at LaToya ass because she done wrote this damn story. This is funny. This book is so funny. Oh my God. LaToya, I don't know what be wrong with you. But if y'all haven't read any of this series, I suggest that you start with the Hoover Gang, books 1 through 5. And then Gangsta, I forgot the gangster name of Gangsta's book. There's 2 books. And then Phantom. I would say read Phantom. And then read this book. It's like a whole series. But when I tell you this series is tomfoolery, it is funny. It's crazy. And these people with these bigs is off the chain. Anyway, happy reading.